with a recap, we are able to solve quadratic equations looking like this. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. We can solve this using x minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, 93. We can solve all these using the formula. I'm going to pause this portion. Next, hey, but is this of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0? No, right? Do you have x squared? Do you see x squared? Won't have. But can you create an x squared? What should we do with the left hand side here? Yes, we should expand. Okay, so let us expand from x multiplied by x. Now this x on the outside is positive. Since it is positive, when we expand, do we need to change the signs? Need or no need? No need. Positive multiplied by anything, the result don't need to change sign. If positive times positive, you get positive. Positive times negative, you get negative. No need to change sign. So positive times positive, we get x squared. Positive x times 1. 1x. Positive 1x. We don't write the 1 in front of the x. It is understood. So x squared plus x is equal to 20. Is this starting to look more like my ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0? I now have an x squared term. I have an x term. And I don't have brackets already because what I require is everything for it to look like this. No brackets. Ax squared plus bx plus c, right hand side must be equal to 0. I've got the first two parts already. My right hand side is not equal to 0. What should I do? Minus 20, excellent. X squared plus x minus 20 equals to 0. Now is it of the same format? Yes, right. What is the value of A? Okay, 1. B? C? Minus 20. Now can we solve for x? Definitely. Write down. Must write down. You must write this down. X equals to. All of you write now. Write down. X equals to. Okay, next we follow the formula. It starts with a minus. So write down the minus. Simple. It says b. What is the value of b? 1. Then it says plus minus. Then it says square root. When it says b squared, the value of b is 1. 1. I like to put brackets here. Square. Okay, and I like to put brackets because sometimes b is a negative value. Today, b is positive. So 1 square, whether I have brackets or not, it doesn't matter. But when it comes to a day when b is negative, you must put the brackets. Otherwise, you will get the wrong value. So next, minus, it says 4. Multiplied by a is 1. Multiplied by c is negative 20. And it says divided by 2 times of a, which is 1. We'll use our calculator to help us simplify whatever is inside the square root. 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 20. Okay, this gives us 81. Square root of 81 over 2. You know what square root 81 is? How much is it? 9, yes. Because I'm too lazy to write everything again, right? I'm going to just replace this with 9. Okay, square root 81 is 9. How many answers do I have over here? How do you know there are 2 answers? Yeah, there's a plus and minus. So now is the time for us to separate them. Split them up. Minus 1 plus 9 over 2, or minus 1, then the minus over here, minus 9 over 2. There are 2 answers. The first answer, negative 1 plus 9 divided by 2. We get 4. The other answer is negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. These are our 2 answers. you got this correct, please give yourself a tick. Okay, let's move on to exercise 4.5. The numbers, there are two numbers over here. What is our first number? Sarah. Oh, that's you. Can you tell me what are the two numbers first before you go? No, you just read the numbers. What are the two numbers? Okay, so there are two numbers, are x and x minus 3. Thank you. They are positive integers. Positive integers means positive whole numbers. These are positive whole numbers. Example, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Can it be 0? Is 0 positive? No, it is neither. It's neither positive nor negative. The product of these two numbers is 54. What does product mean? Times, yeah, okay. So I take these two numbers, I multiply them together. What should I obtain? What is the answer when I multiply them together? 54. Now I can write this. I can write down whatever I just mentioned, right? The first number times the second number is equal to 54. Please write this down. The product of these two is 54. Okay, and it is shown in this line. They are giving it to you. They are giving you this information. And they say that, part A, show. Show that this simplifies to x squared minus 3x minus 54 equals 0. Show that this becomes this. How do we show that? Do they look alike? They don't. But they are telling you that they are supposed to be the same. And it is your job to make them the same. How are we going to make it the same? There is no x squared over here. There is an x squared over here. There is a minus 3x here. There is no minus 3x here. They have an equal 0. You don't have equal 0. What shall we do first? Rainbow. Okay. X times x. Positive times positive. X squared. X times negative 3 minus 3x equals to 54. Good. Now you look, is it starting to look like it already? Almost, right? They tell you to show. You show halfway already. Now next, I don't want the 54. What should I do with it? X squared minus 3x minus 54 equals to 0. Is it shown already? Yeah, you have shown it already, right? So you write down in bracket, shown. To tell me that, look, I've shown it already. Then I give you 1 mark. So this is for part A. Now part B, solve the equation to find x. What is the value of A here? Okay, so we write down A equals to 1, B equals to Fauzi. Just like you said hello, right? No, never. What is the value of B? Good. And C, we have negative 54. Then our formula looks like this. X equals to minus B plus minus B squared or AC over 2A. We're going to replace that. X equals to, okay, now, formula says minus. Should I just copy down minus? Minus bracket. It says minus, so copy down the minus. But minus something, right? Minus what? Minus what? Minus 3. Should I write it this way? Can I write it this way? Have you ever seen a teacher write it this way before? No, what is missing? Bracket. You need to put a bracket here. So we have minus B. Mental sums are What is this value? Minus 3. Positive 3. Okay, next. Plus minus square root. What is the next thing that we have to write? B square, isn't it? B square. So B is negative 3. Can I write it this way? Is this B square? This portion. Very important. This that is highlighted currently, it looks like a B square, but it is wrong. Okay? If you use your calculator, you key in minus 3 square, your calculator will tell you the answer is negative 9. Okay, you can try a calculator, if you can see, then good, if you can't, then, because it's quite dumb. I just key in minus 3 square. My answer is negative 9. This is not supposed to be the value of B square. We are supposed to square the entire B. B itself is negative 3. I am supposed to square this entire negative 3. Therefore, we must put in the brackets. When I put in the brackets, what will the answer be now? Is it positive or negative 9? It will now be a positive 9. You must have brackets here and here. Whenever you see the B appear, put brackets. That's the safest. Next, minus 4 times of A. A is 1. C is negative 54. Close your square root, divided by 2 times of A. Moving on. This gives us, you guys told me, minus 3 is positive 3. Plus minus square root of 9. So use your calculator. This is square root of 225 over 2. Now square root 225 is actually 15. Okay, so I'll continue over here. X is now equals to 3 plus minus 15 over 2. How many answers do you see for X? At this moment, there are going to be 2 answers. The first answer will be 3 plus 15 over 2. The other is 3 minus 15 over 2. The first answer will result in 18 divided by 2 is 9. The second answer is, right. 18 divided by 2, yes, I get 9. The other answer is negative 12 over 2, which is negative 6. They asked us to solve the equation and find the value of x. How many values of x do you have? How many do you have? 2. Are both acceptable? Can I have both answers for x? Can we read the first line of the question? The numbers x and x minus 3 are positive. So now I have 2 values of x. Is there one of it that is wrong? Is one of them wrong? Which one is wrong? Negative 6. So we must reject it. Why are we rejecting it? Because they are so positive. So we can only select the positive answer. Therefore the answer is 9. Only one answer. The question did not ask you for this, but what do you think is the other answer? What is the other number? Huh? No, the other number. The first number is 9. X is 9. What is the other number? The first number is 9. What is the other number? 9 times 9 is not 54. What is the other answer? The other number? 6. So 9 minus 3 gets 6. So 9 times 6 gives us 54. Okay. Now, I will pause over here. Your homework for today is to do question 2. Okay, you can do it in class right now. Question 2.